Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Rajiv Doraiswamy at the University of Alabama, and we're going to walk through the team agreement and how you verify your eligibility for LunaRecycle Challenge Phase 2. So first, you'll need to go to our LunaRecycle website, which is lunarecyclechallenge.ua.edu. And once you're at this website, scroll down to the bottom of the landing page and click on Proof of Citizenship. This will take you to our Qualtrics site where you can enter your information as required. So if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, first thing it will ask you is if you're registering as an entity, as a team, or as an individual. If you're registering as an entity, that means you're incorporated as a business. If you're registering as a team, means you have a group of people that are going to work together on this challenge. And if you're entering as an individual, it means you're working by yourself on this challenge. So let's just register. Let's just go through this and register as a team. So let's call ourselves the test team. Once you enter the name of your team and press the arrow and go forward, please enter, then you'll have to enter a team name, and your email address. And then you'll list all the names of your team members and their citizenship. Let's just put in one name here. For the first round of Phase 2, we require $5,000 of either liability insurance or proof of funds. So what you would do here, you need to have a document written in English and properly translated if you're from if it's foreign funds, and then you would just upload this document to this website. Once you've uploaded the document and it says it's complete, click on the forward arrow. You electronically sign this as best you can. And then you'll be done. If we need further documentation, we will contact you as we go further into the process. So that takes care of how you put in for your eligibility. Next, we'll talk about the team agreement. Again, you go back to the landing page and scroll to the bottom. And the team agreement is here. So this will be an agreement between your team or yourself as an individual team and the University of Alabama. So please enter the name of your team here in this blank and then move forward. Take the time to read through the details of this agreement and make sure you understand it before you submit it. This is a binding legal agreement between your team and the University of Alabama. So make sure you understand it. If you have any questions, please send an email to lunarecycle.ua.edu. As we scroll through that, you can see all the different things that you need to understand and read. As you go through and finish reading through the documentation, there will be designated places where you need to acknowledge or sign and provide more information. Here was where you'll fill in the contact information for your team. Please fill in all your details here. Please make sure your email address is active and that you check it, and make sure that lunarecycle@ua.edu is included in your spam filter as a legitimate message. Here's where you will sign. So sign, put your team name and your name, and go ahead and fill it in. Do not enter the date under Lauren Wilson's name. We will fill that in when the university executes this agreement. You'll need to read this carefully and make sure that you fill it in correctly. You need to make sure that if it's an individual who's a citizen or a permanent resident of the United States, they are eligible to win a prize. So make sure you fill this in correctly. If you're an entity that is an incorporated organization, you'll need to fill in this page here. Again, the same types of things, sign and date. Do not enter anything under the University of Alabama lines. This is where you list the members of your the team members in your entity, and their citizenship, and have each individual person will need to initial this page next to their name. If you have foreign students, they will need to fill this out, and it needs to be acknowledged by the team leader. Finally, if you have foreign participants on a US-based team, you'll need to fill this out, and they need to be aware that they will not be eligible to win any of the prize money. This is, again, we're asking for your affirmation that you have the $5,000 in US funds or insurance. Please sign and date. And I think that's the end of the team agreement. So this will help you, once you register for the challenge, to fill in the rest of the documentation that we require to make you part of the challenge. Once you've completed the team agreement, please upload it to www.lunarecycle.competitionsciences.org. You'll have to have registered at this website before you upload your team agreement. So this is the landing page of the LunaRecycle registration site. We will have a separate walkthrough on the specifics of this, but please make sure that you have your team agreement completed, because it will need to be uploaded to this site, not lunarecyclechallenge.ua.edu. Thanks and good luck.